Torrential slide value equivalent to 305.99 rands a coin. The present cost range, 303.96 308.02. The earlier day close, 303.80. The change was plus 2.19, plus 0.72%. Opposite rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 294 rands, high 315, low 273. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 302 rands, high 323, low 281. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 294 rands, high 315, low 273. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 301 rands, high 322, low 280. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 306 rands, high 327, low 285. In multi-week torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 298 rands, high 319, low 277. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 289 rands, high 309, low 269. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 289 rands, high 309, low 269. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 289 rands, high 309, low 269. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, May 19, cost 299 rands, high 320, low 278. In about 14 days, torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 293 rands, high 314, low 272. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost 302 rands, high 323, low 281. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost 303 rands, high 324, low 282. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost 295 rands, high 316, low 274. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost 303 rands, high 324, low 282. In 3 weeks, torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 266 rands, high 285, low 247. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost 238 rands, high 255, low 221. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 244 rands, high 261, low 227. Torrential slide figure on Friday, June 2, cost 252 rands, high 270, low 234. In about a month, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 265 rands, high 284, low 246. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 266 rands, high 285, low 247. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost, cost at 312 rands. Exorbitant cost 327, while low cost 221. Found the middle value of cost 275. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 238. Change for May 23.7%. Torrential slide estimate for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at 238 rands. Exorbitant cost 305, while low cost 186. Found the middle value of cost 232. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 200. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. To start with, cost at 200 rands. Exorbitant cost 212, while low cost 184. Found the middle value of cost 199. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 198. Change for July 1.0%. Torrential slide gauge for August 2023. To start with, cost at 198 rands. Exorbitant cost 213, while low cost 185. Found the middle value of cost 199. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 199. Change for August 0.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 199 rands. Excessive cost 199, while low cost 169. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 187. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 182. Change for September 8.5%. Torrential slide conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 182 rands. Excessive cost 226, while low cost 182. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 200. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 211. Change for October 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 211 rands. Exorbitant cost 211, while low cost 165. They found the middle value of cost 191. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 177. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 177 rands. Exorbitant cost 177, while low cost 139. They found the middle value of cost 161. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 149. Change for December 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 149 rands. Exorbitant cost 181, while low cost 149. They found the middle value of cost 162. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 169. Change for January 13.4%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 169 rands. Exorbitant cost 172, while low cost 150. They found the middle value of cost 163. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 161. Change for February 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 161 rands. Excessive cost 161, while low cost 126. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 146. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 135. Change for spring 16.1%. Torrential slide figure for April 2024. Before all else cost at 135 rands. Excessive cost 168, while low cost 135. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 149. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 157. Change for April 16.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 157 rands. Excessive cost 157, while low cost 123. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 142. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 132. Change for May 15.9% ZAR to AVAX swapping scale equivalent to 0.3268 coins per 100 rand. The present reach 0.3247 minus 0.3290. The earlier days nearby 0.3